Welcome to JH. Today, we will cover how to generate custom reports within Meta Ads Manager. Mastering this is a vital skill for anyone managing Facebook ads, as it provides specific, tailored insights into your campaign performance. Let's begin the process right now. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Facebook Ads Manager in the search bar, or simply use your bookmark if you have one saved. Select the Go to Ads Manager link to reach the sign-in screen. It is important to use an authorized account and have your login details prepared. Input your email and password on the official Facebook site to keep your data safe. After typing your credentials, hit Login to access your main dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, head over to the campaign's dashboard to see your current and previous activity. Next, select Ads Reporting. This area provides various tools to customize how you view your performance data. In this section, you can choose from numerous metrics and dimensions. Pick the data most useful to you, such as clicks, impressions, or conversion rates. Adjusting these settings allows for a more profound understanding of your campaign results. Once you are happy with the layout, click Save to keep this configuration for later. To download the data for offline use, click the Export button. You will then see several file format choices. You can pick between XLSX, CSV, or PNG formats. XLSX is ideal for desktop Excel users, CSV is best for data editing, and PNG is perfect for visual sharing. Select your preferred type and click Export to finish the download. You have now successfully pulled a custom report from Meta Ads Manager, enabling you to make better data-driven decisions based on your ad performance. Having these reports at your disposal allows you to make informed decisions based on your ad performance,